Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making some amazing banana bread, and these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. Firstly, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. So for this recipe, we need 5 big ripe bananas, and yes, I mean really ripe. By the way, just a small PSA, only a prima bowl, I bake and put a hot cake tin beside it by accident, and I saw it make a dent in it. It's not a hole, so it's still good, but I now watch no face. One less plastic in the sea for to kill off the fish and the dolphin them. So we are going to peel our bananas and place them in a nice bowl. Now I'll be going in with a potato masher. Don't worry about it if you don't have a potato masher, because I know somebody are going to go, oh, I can't make the recipe because I don't have a masher. Don't worry, I got you. Here I have a big kitchen fork. You can use this to crush the bananas as well. You don't need to mash out the banana completely. Leave just a little bit of chunks in there, as it will help with the banana bread texture. Now that the bananas are crushed, next we will be adding some butter. Half cup of melted butter. Stir it in. Next we will be adding some coconut oil, quarter cup of coconut oil. Now I just love me some coconut oil. Coconut everything. I love it. Next we will add 3 eggs. I like to break my eggs into a separate container. I always do that, just in case one of the egg is rotten. Because if you add rotten egg directly to your mixture, then you have to go through the whole mixture, and I'm not about that life. So yeah, combine everything, and let's add some lemon zest. Just a little bit, about 1/4 teaspoon. Add some lemon juice. Please be sure to take out the seed. Mix, mix, mix. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon mixed essence. Now this you don't have to worry about. If you don't have it, then just use 2 teaspoons of the vanilla. Next we will add some almond extract, 1 teaspoon. This comes in different colors. You might find it in like a clear color, look like water. That's perfectly fine. Combine everything. Now let's measure the dry ingredients in another bowl. Add 2 cups of flour. Now here I have a little twist, because I'm going to add some ground almond in it. Again, if you don't have this, it's fine. Just measure your 2 cups of flour and cut and go through. You don't need the ground almond, but it does add a little flavor. As you'll see, the second measurement, I didn't fill it to the brim, only because the first cup was more than 1 cup. My hand did a little bit too heavy, so yeah, I never full this second one to the brim. Next we will add 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and 2 teaspoon baking soda. If you only have baking powder, then fine, add the 2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, now add 1 cup of brown sugar to the wet ingredients and mix it into the mixture. Now I'm using a spatula to combine the dry ingredients. Then I'll go ahead and add some of the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. I'm going to cut and fold in the flour, and I'll do it in 3 parts, as it makes it easier to combine everything. Now that's all done. Let's go ahead and grease our baking pan, our bread pan. This recipe makes 2 loaves of banana bread. Make sure your hands are clean. Place some butter in your pan and evenly distribute it around the pan. Do the same for the next pan as well. Now add some flour to both. Just take the excess flour and just pour it into the next pan. That's fine. And clean up your workspace, yeah? Dash out time! Let's pour our mixture into both baking tin. Try and get every little drop. Every little drop. Look there, I'm missing no waste nothing. And there we have it. Now let's place them into the oven. And boom, them done. Let's see what we have here. Steam, steam, steam. Looking nice and yum. Look there. Look there. Yeah. Now you burn up yourself, young girl. Take your time, take your time. Yes. Here's the next one. Now what I'm about to do, you know, we're not supposed to really do it and I really cut hot cake, but I could wait. Woo, I could resist. Wanna see the steam? Wanna see the steam? If you ever smell it, if you ever smell this, check it out, guys. Check it out. So nice. Yum, yum, yum. Look there, look there, look there, look there. Look there, look there. I say look. You know look? Look. Please look. Yes. Look how it look nice and moist. Yes. So I'm going to leave it for about an hour to cool. Because of that I should have done in the first place. And here we have it now. The finished product. And I just added a little sprinkle of powdered sugar. I hope you guys try this recipe. Please comment down below and tell me if you do. Look here, look, look, look. So nice and moist. I love me some banana bread. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and tell somebody about my channel. The recipe is listed in the description box. Please spread the love and good vibes. God bless you and please take care of your beautiful self.